Now let us see about the parents module. The parents' entry credentials will be provided by our software development team. When you enter the parents' dashboard, you can see multiple options that are available that can be used to monitor your child's performance. Now, this is the parents' main dashboard where we can see options like My Status, Latest Test Reports, Weak Areas, and My Mission. Now, the My Mission talks about the child's mission target or preparation target for his respective competitive exam. Now, when we click on the child option, it displays an entire detailed information of the child along with the reports of all the tests attempted by the child. In the test history reports option, parent can also see his test attempted previously, including the date of the test and the score he has attained, whether the test is a topic-wise, subject-wise, or even chapter-wise. The reports column, we have three types of reports: mock test progress report, latest mock test report, and subject-wise report. In the mock progress report, you can view the mock test reports with the date of the examination and score for all the mock tests attempted by the student. The latest mock test reports of your child will be displayed in the latest mock reports section. In the subject-wise reports, a parent can monitor and understand the child's performance in a particular subject by selecting the subject he wants to visualize. A report will be generated based on which evaluation can be done. The IVEN team is providing a feedback form where parents can share their thoughts and their views to the developmental team here at IVEN. They can also choose the rating options and submit it. Thank you.